I'm a president of a Gold Panning Association of America chapter. In Indiana, there's 3 such clubs. The oldest one has been around for about 20 years, and the numbers have been growing steadily over the last few years. That's why we started our northern chapter recently, and we have quite a few members. The GPAA, as it's called, is active throughout the country, and the Midwest has become an area where they've started to focus some of their attention because of the abundance of gold here that's left to be found. If somebody's interested in panning for gold in Indiana, the best place to start would be Morgan Monroe State Forest, if you live in that part of the state, or if you live in the north, about any creek or river would have gold in it. The state has quite a bit of gold, a lot of fine gold, just about everywhere you go. The best way to start would be get a gold pan, which you can buy on the internet, and just get out and dig some gravel and sift through it and see if there's any yellow gold in it. You might wonder if there's still gold to be found in Indiana, and the answer is yes. There's a lot of gold to be found in Indiana. With the recent increase in gold prices, a lot more people are getting out and looking for it, and you can find it in about any stream that was covered by the Ice Age glaciers. To pan gold, you dig the gravel and sand out of the stream, put it in a gold pan. And it's real easy. You pretty much just shake it down like that to begin with. Get all the heavy stuff settled to the bottom. Then you dip it in the water to kind of make a little circular motion. As you do that, the lighter material will flow over the ripples. These notches in the pan are called the ripples. They help keep the gold from going over the edge. And you just keep doing that until you get it down to where there's not much left in the pan. Just let the water take the light material out of the pan. After you get it down to the bottom, swirl the water around, and if you've got any gold in there, it'll be laying right back here in the corner. This gold is very heavy. It's heavier than any of the other rocks in the creek that you're going to encounter.
You want to dig too, Yanni? Here, let's go see.
This table is dealing with geology, fossils, rocks, and minerals. I'm being the substitute geologist today. That was my other major in college. I'm actually an archaeologist. And we do a lot of outreach programs for students. And one of the things that we realize when they think archaeologists dig up dinosaurs, when it's the paleontologist that digs up dinosaurs, is they don't understand the difference between a fossil and an artifact. So fossils, we explain to them that they're something that used to be a living organism, whether a plant or an animal that died and its remains got turned into rock, like this is a mammoth tooth. And then artifacts, again, a lot of them were made out of stone, but they were shaped and modified and used by humans as tools, so therefore they're artifacts even though they're made out of rocks. So we brought a few of each so that people can see the difference.
Yes, Indiana has an amazing archaeological history. The park that I work at, Strawtown Kotewi Park, it's a Hamilton County park. We have over 100 known archaeological sites just within our park alone, and that's just within one county in the state of Indiana. So of course you can imagine as you amplify that for the state, Indiana has a wonderful heritage.